Well, now the requirement is like I want to store duplicate values. If I want to store duplicate values, set is not allowing duplicate values. Then what can I go for? We can go for multi-set. We can go for what? Multi-set. Multi-set is also present in which header file? Set header file. There is no multi-set header file, understand? There is only one header file called set header file. Okay. Now we need to discuss about what? Multi-set. Multi-set, right? So how do you write that? Multi-set. Multi-set int, let us take ms is equal to 3, 13, 11, 11, 13, 5, 8, 6, 9, 6. Right? Now we are trying to create a multi-set where multi-set will allow duplicate elements and the data is present in the sorted order from the lower to higher. So how do I do that? For simply const int k colon ms. So what is the meaning of this line? We need to take every value k from ms, where I can write what? Cout k. Right? First we will create a multi-set, right? So first what will be there? 3 will be there. Next what will be there? 5 will be there. Next what will be there? 6 will be there. 6 will be there. Next 8 will be there. 9 will be there. 11 will be there. 11 will be there. 13 will be there. 13 will be there. This will be the answer, right? So what did you conclude from the multi-set? In the multi-set, duplicate values are allowed. In the multi-set, duplicate values are allowed. I hope this is very clear, right? Fine. Now understand the difference between set and multi-set is, in the set duplicate values are not allowed and in the multi-set duplicate values are allowed. What is the common point? The common point is all the data is stored in the increasing order or decreasing order, but that really depends on your what we call comparison object. Here if you don't use any comparison object, by default it is less comparison. Less comparison. Now there is another STL, what it is called unordered set. Unordered underscore set. This is present in a header file called hash include unordered underscore set. The header file is what? Hash include unordered set. Okay, fine. Now we will see what is this, right? Here duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. Means what? You cannot write a duplicate. It's a set, but order is not there. So order is preserved. Order is preserved. All are constants. Order is preserved. All are constants. Order is preserved. All are constants. Let me explain what is the meaning of that. Right? It's here. Unordered underscore set, unordered underscore set int us is equal to 3, 8, 7, 7, 8, 5, 6, 4, 6, 4, 9. So what happens here? Understand, here the elements in which order you entered, they are preserved in the same order, but duplicates are not allowed. So how do you do that? For I can use what here? Const int ampersand m in us. Cout us. Sorry, m, right? M. So what is the answer? 3 will come, 8 will come, 7 will come, 5 will come, 6 will come, 4 will come, 9 will come. Have you seen? All the elements are unique only, but order is not there in the increasing or decreasing. So whenever you don't care about the order, we will use what? Unordered set. So compared to set, unordered set is very fast. Like whenever you want to go for hashing, so at that time you can use what? Unordered set. Why? Because hashing is always searching for a particular key, is there or not there. We don't really care about the order is increasing or decreasing, right? So understand, again I am telling, whenever you want to maintain set of unique values irrespective of the order, then we are going for what? Unordered set. Whenever you want to maintain unique values in the increasing or decreasing order, then you need to go to set. Okay, fine. Next, last important thing is we have unordered multiset. Unordered underscore multiset. So this is also present in the same header file. Let me take this way only. Int unordered multiset is equal to same values. I'll take 3, 8, 7, 7, 8, 5, 6, 4, 6, 4, 9. So if you try to print the output, you are going to get the same output. Then immediately some person is asking me, if unordered multiset duplicates are allowed, right? If duplicates are allowed, then why should I go for unordered multiset? Directly I can go to what? Vector or DQ, right? Vector or DQ. Then one important point I am telling you, listen. See, whenever duplicates should be allowed, but the content should not be modified. At that time we are going for what? Unordered multiset. Here content is a constant, right? So try to understand, we are having what here? Set, multiset. Unordered underscore set, unordered underscore multiset. In all this, the common point is data is constant. Means, let us take I inserted 10 into set. You cannot replace that 10 with 35, but you go to vector, you go to queue, you go to list, you go to stack, you go to anywhere, you are able to change the content. Understand? So try to see, whenever you are interested to use read-only data structure, then we are using these type of things. Generally, while hashing, we'll be using these things anyhow. Okay, fine. So based on the need, we need to take. What is set? In the set, all the values are stored in the increasing, decreasing order, and every value is a unique value. What is multiset? All the values are stored in the increasing or decreasing order, but duplicates are allowed. Okay, because there we are using less than or equal to comparison. Next, what is unordered set? In the unordered set also duplicates are not allowed, but the elements are not stored in increasing or decreasing order. Whichever way you view, that way they are stored. What is unordered multiset? Duplicates are also allowed, and the elements are stored in the same order. Then what is the main objective of all this set concept? The main objective is all are constant values.